We have a new item from Shopee to unbox today. This is something na very unusual na makikita nyo na ginagamit pa ng mga tao today. Mainly because music is already on the mobile phones. But I prefer to use an MP3 player para na rin hindi mabilis malobat yung phone ko. So in the box, this is a freebie from them. And there's also a freebie pouch. And it includes 16GB SD card. Alisin natin, nakakabit siya ng scotch tape. So let's just take it off. So we can open up this box. This item, by the way, is Bluetooth. Can be operated via Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headset. I prefer Bluetooth kasi nga I'm using the Shocks bone conductor headset. So talagang naghanap ako ng Bluetooth MP3 player, and this is the cheapest that I found. There it have a free headset, and then this is the charging cable, and here's the item itself. This is RUIZU MP3 player. And this is the plus volume, and it can easily be clipped to your clothes. And then there's the power on. Yeah, let's turn it on. Let's see, and just choose the language. And there it is. It have music. As I've checked sa online, pwede rin siyang gamitin as voice recorder. Now, let's try yung headset. The headset can be plugged in sa taas. So, let's open natin. Dito pwede siyang dyan siya pinaplug. Can be plugged in with a wired headset or can be used with a Bluetooth headset. Yan. Iba nga lang yung nakalagay ngayon na date and time. Ayusin natin yan mamaya. May dalawang free music for you to try it out. So, pakinggan natin. All goods, it's working. So, ngayon, itry natin siyang i-pair up dito sa ating Bluetooth AirPods. So, let's go to Bluetooth. Then, let's turn Bluetooth on. Search for device. Then, open natin to. Let's see how fast it will connect. There it is, SE's earpod. Then, click match. There it is. It's now connected. Let's try na mag-play ng music using my AirPods. It's also have Pedometer recordings, ebook, pictures. I will use the recordings to record preaching every Sunday siguro. So, hi guys, I'm going to give you my first impression on the RUIZU MP3 player. It's all good. I've already tried using it for a week already. So, if you have it fully charged, it will last for around 3 hours to 4 hours of battery life. So, that's very good. I usually use it using playing music only, and also recording audio, or recording audio every Sunday service, para palagi kong mapapakinggan ulit yung mga preaching every Sunday sa Cornerstone Robinson. So, dun ko lang siya hindi ginagamit. So, for me, yung 8 GB internal memory is already sufficient enough for me. But if you want to store more music, also want to utilize the utilize the video capacity of it. Yung pwede kasi manood ng video through it. And also you could put in audiobooks if you want to do that. It can support 128GB SD card. So bili na lang kayo ng separate SD card. Yung free na SD card kasama nung item na binili ko, I'm not using it, though it's 16GB. I'm not using it mainly because palagi siya nakukorrupt. Kahit nilagyan ko na siya ng, kunyari nilagyan ko na siya ng songs, tapos in-insert ko na siya, for now, magpiplay siya, pero later on, sabihin, cannot be found. It's easily being corrupted, so hindi ko na siya ginamit, baka masira lang mismo yung MP3 player. And itinago ko na lang siya. So, pero I'm thinking of buying around 64GB of SD card para mas ma-installan ko siya ng more music. So, for now, kasi ang in-install ko lang ng mga music sa kanya is yung mga favorites songs ko. I wanted to add more music para mas marami akong variety na mapapakinggan throughout the day. I mostly use it while working na naka-offline tasks, working on emails or working on admin tasks. I also use it pag nagta-travel. Regarding its Bluetooth support or connection, it can easily be connected to my Shock's Bluetooth headset. And also can easily connect to our Bluetooth speaker. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng wire anything. Tapos, since napaka-compact niya, liit lang niya, pwede mo siyang i-clip sa damit mo or sa pantalon mo, napakadali niyang i-carry around and throughout the day. Hindi siya nakakastorbo compared sa kapag yung phone ang gagamitin mo as your music player. Syempre, yung phone, ang laki ng phone na hawak mo, kailangan mong ibulsa or kailangan mo siyang ilagay sa isang place wherein kapag naka-headset ka, pag napaliw ka naman sa kanya, mawawala na yung music. Unless this one is so compact, so small, so you can just clip it on your clothes. You will not worry na kapag you're roaming around the house, naglilinis ka and you're listening to music, hindi ka mag-worry na pag napalayo ka dun sa item is hindi na mo na marinig, because even you move around the whole house, it's connected to your clothes, so hindi ka nalayo doon sa player, so the quality of the music doesn't stop and doesn't it's not being lost. So this is for now for this video. I hope you like it, and if you're interested to buy it, I just bought it from Shopee. I will indicate on the description box below kung saan ko siya nabili, anong shop, in case it's no longer available or out of supply. There are other brands or other shops that offer Bluetooth headset. So that's it for now. Bye!